Alright, so here's the update on the town car headlights. So I have ripped out these LED pods that used to be in here, and I'm replacing them now with these larger kind of marine style pods that I found. And there's a lot of guessing and checking going on because none of this stuff wants to really go together. And so that's the front. I had to tilt this one way down because it's insanely bright, and well, that's just the way I had to do it. And on the back side here, I'm actually using fiberglass to put it all together because I just don't really have a way to mount this stuff any other way. I'm just gonna have to fill in those big gaps with fiberglass short strand filler. But they're very, very bright. I think it's gonna look really dramatically different than what I had, and insanely bright. Anyway, that's the update. I'll try to get a video of what they look like once I install them and they're finished.